Hello friends, if you remember we made some slime a while back. Well, today we're going to make some dough and I forgot my measuring cup, so I just marked a paper cup here, a plastic cup we had at the library. And this dough I made a couple weeks ago, and it's not a very pretty color. I was trying to make purple because you know it's my favorite color, but it didn't quite come out very purpley. But you can smash it down and do whatever it is you do with your dough, just kind of like you like your slime, I know. So you're gonna start by mixing a 1-to-1 ratio of cornstarch and hair conditioner, just cheap old conditioner. Don't go in the shower and steal mom's real expensive stuff, just anything. The stuff I bought wasn't even $1 and it works great. And I didn't have a measuring cup, so I just made a line so that we could pretty much have the same, it would be easy to keep the measurements. So I've got my conditioner, I'm just putting it in a bowl, and I don't even have a spoon, I'm just using a popsicle stick. We're really roughing it here. Okay, and then some cornstarch. And I'm gonna fill it to that line and stir the two ingredients together. And we will end up adding more cornstarch as we go. And it should end up being double the cornstarch to the conditioner pretty much. Let's see. But right now we're just starting with the 1-to-1. So that's our first measure of cornstarch. And you're just gonna mix them together and it'll be kind of, see that? I know I'm making a huge mess, but cornstarch cleans up really easy, doesn't it? Yeah, just mix that up. And you could do lots of building with this, like maybe take some toothpicks and create some kind of model to hold some heavy weight, balance some things on it. So that's pretty mixed up, and you can see it's kind of, I don't know, a little, kind of maybe like fluffernutter or really thick mayonnaise. And we're just gonna add a little more cornstarch. I'm gonna, fill it to my green line again and stir that in and see what we've got. And you can add some food coloring if you'd like. This has kind of a nice little orangey color from the conditioner itself, so maybe that's why my purple didn't come out so well, because it already had a tint about it. So that seems pretty good. Well, it's still a little sticky, so we're gonna add just a tiny bit more. Because I didn't use two different measuring cups, there's some cornstarch still stuck inside my measuring cup, see? So that could have a little bit to do with why it's a little sticky still. So I added just about a teaspoon or two more. And it looks like it's kind of coming together more like dough now. It's not totally exact science, but you can play around with your ratios and get what works for you. There. Mix it up with your hands. And like I said, if you want, you can add some food coloring. But there you go, it's some great dough. You can get out the cookie cutters if you just want to make some fake food. Don't eat it. And maybe you have some other ideas. We'd love to see them on Facebook.